Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy M30s smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy M30s smartphone. First of all, go to camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy M30s. Click on camera here and keep the mode in slow motion. This is slow motion and start recording. I start recording this video. While recording it will be like a normal video, but after finishing the video, if you play the video, that will be playing in slow motion. Just I shaking this plant. I finish the slow motion. And see here, I am going to play the video. For first few seconds it will be in a normal mode, but see here the video is playing in very slow. So in this way you can easily make a slow motion video using your phone Samsung Galaxy M30s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.